My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware that is called Notwanna. In this video guide, I will demonstrate to you what exactly happens with the documentation with your files after they get encrypted by this ransomware. Typically, the majority of ransomware programs encrypt the files and add a special extension. So you will find out what exact extension is added to the files after they get encrypted by the ransomware called Notwanna. And you'll find instructions on how to remove this ransomware effectively. So, before the ransomware attacks the files, you are able to open these programs and files without any complications. This includes pictures, music files, video files, Microsoft Office files, and other documents. But after the Notwanna ransomware is launched, it starts immediately encrypting your documentation. Very soon the Notwanna extension is added to the main file extension. For instance, this was the Google Chrome.lnk extension, and now we see that Notwanna extension has been added to all the files. And by the way, even a special logo or icon has been also added to all the files that got encrypted by this particular ransomware. The ransomware then tells you to pay the special ransom in order to get your files decrypted. And I'm not sure about your case, but in my case I don't really understand anything what this text message tells me, and it's obviously something possibly in Russian, but this is some other English message that says, "Oops, your important files are encrypted." Then the criminals tell you to contact them for decryption instructions, but eventually they would tell you to pay the special ransom to get your files decrypted. On the other hand, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back, so we strongly advise that you do not agree with that proposal and do not pay any ransom. As you can clearly see, some browser icons on the desktop has also been amended and given this extension, so we recommend you to do the following. Go to the C drive or other system drive, program files, select Internet Explorer. This is the browser that has not been modified or encrypted, and we recommend you to check your computer with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software through this official resource, install the application, and then start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect this Notwanna ransomware, to remove its main files, and to protect your data from being encrypted in the future. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you a quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button, and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called Anti-Ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threads with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.